My name's Tyler Bowles. I've made $44,000 on Shopify so far, and I'm willing to build your store for just $40. That's it. Only $40. Not $200, not $100, just $40. Remember that this is an investment. It is not a cost. So $40 is less than the jacket that you're going to buy 2 weeks from now at the store. Take the chance now to invest in yourself. Invest in yourself and invest in your future. I just quit my job today, and now I'm able to pursue entrepreneurship full time, mainly thanks to my Shopify business. So I believe that with my help, you guys will be able to get started and eventually quit your jobs as well. Now, what comes included in me building this store for you for 40 bucks is I walk you through the process to making a store, analyzing your competition, reaching out to brands and manufacturers in your niche so that you can get your product supplied to you quickly and effectively. I definitely try to stray away from AutoDS and CJ dropshipping and all types of stuff like that. It is just better if you get your product sourced from the US and from Canada, and you want to become what is known as an authorized reseller. So I encourage you guys to check out my channel to learn more about that. But that is just one way that I can help you, the $40 store. Another way that I can help you is by our consultation bundle. So what that consultation bundle gets you is it's only $59. It gets me to build your store for you so you don't have to pay that $40, and you get to schedule a one-on-one call that'll last about an hour, right? A one-on-one call that will last about an hour where I can explain everything I know to you, answer all of your questions directly. I can get to know more about your situation so you can get more specific advice to your situation. You can get to know me a bit better, see how I see things, see where my mind is at when I'm starting a new store and things of that nature. Is very, very useful. I have yet to come across somebody that has purchased this bundle that was not happy with it. Now, if you already have a store and you're not looking to start up a new one and you don't need me to build a new store for you, then I am offering access to my Discord premium membership. It is only $25 a month, and you get that same one-on-one call that I just talked about every single month. So you get monthly one-on-one calls with me to help go over what your store needs for that month in order to scale and bring you closer to your dreams, your goals, your success. Okay, a lot of people love to join that Discord server, so go ahead and get in that while you still can. It's definitely very useful. It gives you access to our stored feedback channel where you can throw your website into the channel, and everyone else that's in premium will be able to tell you what they think is good about it, what they think is bad about it, how you can do better, etc., etc. It gives you access to a hot product finds channel where you can see niches that I have gone out and researched for you guys, and I post them in there and say, look guys, this might be something to keep your eye on, this might be great to get into, yada yada yada. And of course you get those one-on-one calls as well, and a general channel where you get to introduce yourself to our other premium members so we can all help each other out. They say 2 minds is greater than 1, so why not have 10, 15, one day even 100 minds? Am I right? Now, finally, if you're still watching this video and you need a little bit more, you just want hands-on help, you don't even really want to do any of the heavy lifting yourself, I do have an ultimate premium package. This is the full package where I do everything for you. I literally make a store kind of like mine, and I do everything for you. So I build the store, I add the products, I reach out to the brands to get authorization for you to sell those products online. I literally do everything from head to toe. All you would have to do is get your paperwork so that everything is under your name, and you'd have to pay for your advertising. But outside of those 2 things, I will get it going, and it'll probably take a couple of months to do. But once you get there, you won't even have to really worry about much. You just have to try to advertise, and I can show you how to set up those ads. So the price on that is only going to be $999. Now, some of y'all are going to look at that price and think, geez, that is a lot. Well, let me tell you something. I have made 4 sales now. This is June 27th. by now, since I've had my store for a little over a year, I have made 4 sales where I've made $1,000 profit on each sale. Okay, guys. So this is something that can really grow, and it is a long-term business model. So a lot of people, if they can afford it, they like to throw in that $900 now to invest in their future, and create a store that can ring in some real money for the next few years to come.